Good morning. Good morning. So today you have me. This is where we're up to. We've done all these and I am just starting this wall here. Let's see how we get on. So my aim is to get this entire wall done. This one. I've already put a bit of stuff on, so I actually need to go do it now. But yeah, let's see how we get on. So I'm going to get this entire bit done. This bit is going to be something different. So yeah, let's get this tiled. Just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night. Cloistered in injustice. So now this wall is all tiled and dry. It is the next day. I didn't get around to grouting, so. So I've just grouted these two walls. They're dirty, but you get the gist. And that's the difference. Now let's get the rest done. So I'm not sure where I last left you, but look. Your girl's a plasterer. She didn't know, but she is. She's gone through several different tubs of plaster down there, wrong stuff. But yeah, it needs sanding for a first go. I'm quite happy. I've got to do these two now, but I don't know whether to get that hole, but yeah, I'll show you when it's done. But plastering is not easy. Still covered in hands. Ow! Ooh. Just a sneak peek of the new countertop. Wow, that hurt. I have finished the plastering when he's plastering. Let me show you. So we've done all of these, and then I've done top halves of these walls purely because you get the gist. The panelling is going all the way along here, so that bit just gets stuck on. That's a paintable surface. It just needs a good sand down once it's dry. So yeah, we'll come back to that, and then hopefully we'll be at the fun stage of this renovation, because I am tired. I have a ginormous blister on my hand. It's not going to show you, is it? Trust me, it's there. Here, it hurts. So I'm just going to quickly walk the dogs, have some food, and then I'll see you back here. This bathroom build is going in drips and drabs. So I've plastered, it's dried. I'm now going to just sand it all back and then fill any gaps with some flexible gap filler, and then that should create a paintable surface for us, but it's looking pretty good. Let me show you. So this is it so far. I've put a little bit of filler on in places, more so this wall. The light's really bad in here. There you go. I've just filled in some gaps. But I'm just going to sand all this down so it's like a smooth surface. It's already pretty smooth. I beg your pardon, but I just want to make sure it's extra smooth for painting, and then I can get a coat of white paint on to soak in. That was the worst thing I've ever tried to do. The whole room was filled with plaster dust. But anyway, it's done now, so I need to paint a coat of like just white paint that can sink in, and then we can add our colour on top. So yeah, paint it white.
So pretty simply, we've just capped off this end because we might want this supply for our toilet in the future, but for now we don't have that kind of toilet, so that can stay there. We can pull that off if we need to, and we're just going to whack the board on, hoover up and whack the board on. Wide.
So we're just cutting this piece to fit here. We just need to measure where this hole is and this is. Once we've done that, we'll be back. We have a panel cut. We've got this and this accessible fresh water for the toilet, and then the taps for the sink. So yeah, now we're going to stick these on and then add the smaller panel to here. Little dog. Some goofy teeth. That just looks like a butt chin. Mr. Smiley shall be forever known. Is that his beard?
Yeah.
Make sure they're level. So the panels are in, and now we've got this oak beam, which is beautiful. This is going to trim the tiles, isn't it? So we're going to cut it to the right length and then get this stuck into. This bit will trim this area. Just a quick update, we are going to B&Q Max, I think, because the back of this radiator needs painting on the side. These panels need paint before we can drop that one in, and then it'll be secured, and then we need to pick up a paint for up here. So yeah, trip to B&Q. So we're back from B&Q. We have a black colour. What colour is it? Rich black. And I think it's called Heartwood, which is now looking very purpley now we've got it back, but I'm trusting the process. I don't understand why you're naked. I left you for 2 seconds and now you're in your boxers.
Well, I didn't want to get my clothes painted.
Right.
And I'm cheaper than new clothes.
Yet he's just painted my back.
I haven't painted your back.
You're a liar. So we're painting this. We're going dark luxury if you haven't already worked that out.
That's the plan.
That's just James's arm. So we're painting this.
We are filling this hole.
What hole?
This holy roof.
Oh yeah, hole in roof will be filled. This is going on this wall, and then the black is going down here. If it doesn't look right, we will just change it. So it's not the end of the world. But yeah, painting. Show you when we're done. So this is what we're currently looking like. We need a few more coats on the black, and we're not unsure on the top, but I think we like it. We're gonna have like a big mirror, the unit's gonna be there, but I think for now we're gonna go for the dogs, let that dry a little bit, come back, do another coat, and then see what happens. Good morning, happy Sunday. Today we are finishing off the bathroom, we hope. James is just sticking on the panels.
It won't be finished, will it? We don't have a sink and things.
That's true, but it'll be close enough.
Yeah.
It'll be back together so it's usable at least, and prettier. The paint is looking purpley brown. We're unsure, but we're going to put the whole bathroom back together and see if we like it. So let's show you. So it kind of goes, kind of doesn't. I don't know yet.
It looks okay, it's just not what we was going for.
It's not what we expected. Ignore the hole. But yeah, it looks nice together. We're just sticking this one panel behind here. So now we have painted all the panelling. We're now putting some, is it called alcove or something, along the top to make a bead. But this piece needs to have that angle cut into it, so I'm just going to do that now. So that very small angle should in theory make this fit. Let's see. Gap there. I don't know what I've done. Didn't even take that much off. So in theory, I think that should look a lot better. So, after that, what you've just seen, I don't appear to have filmed anything. However, not much has changed since then, so I'll show you what we've done. And yeah, we'll go from there. Apologies for being a horrendous YouTuber, but you know, life happens. We have demolished the rest of the boat, so that is the fun. And yeah, so let me show you what we've done. This is the hole that was in the corner, so look at this. So what we've done is we've added in a piece of wood and then used like a compound filler to start building this layer up. So I need to sand this down smooth and then put a little bit of plaster on so it's smooth to a paintable surface. We've also brought some flash. No, we've also brought a sink for this unit, which is actually a half boulder, which I think is really cool. Put some towels. So yeah, I think all I've got to do now is sand that down so it's smooth, add some plaster, and yeah, then hopefully I can show you the finished result without like the tap, because we haven't brought that yet. But yeah, let's get that sanded and we'll go from there. Why is everything I do so messy? I haven't even got like rubbish clothes on today. Look. I love. Look. Many thought that was going to be something rude. So this is all smooth now, as smooth as it's going to get. So I've got to add a layer of plaster, so there's only a small amount. So I'm going to do that now. So let's have a look. So now it's got a fresh layer of plaster on. That is now a whole panel. Speech, please work with me. But yeah, that's now a whole panel, so we can sand that down once that's dry and just give this another coat of paint, and then we can look at getting a mirror and shelves up, and then we're nearly there. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave this vlog here today. I'll put in a little clip of when that's painted maybe, but purely because I think the next one will be like the plumbing and stuff, adding the sink in, final touches, and then a bathroom tour. So yeah, join us next week, and bye for now. Before I do go, I wanted to know if anyone would be interested in like a Patreon for us, as we post weekly now and I am consistent with it as much as I can be. I wondered if anyone would be interested in Patreon, maybe including like a newsletter or photos that we don't really release to the world, maybe just to you guys as levels. And I'm even thinking maybe including our clothing brand, so maybe every 3 months, or if you're on a certain tier you'll receive an item of our Wonder brand, and I'll leave a link in the description for our clothing brand if anyone's interested in anything. If you use Wonder 20 you'll get 20% off. Yeah, so yeah, let us know in the comments below, see what's going on, and we'll go from there. Bye for now.